Welcome to our favorite YouTube channel DCD Electrical Knowledge. Lecture number 4. Today's goal is to learn shaded pole motor, a special type of single phase induction motor, not self single phase induction. Single phase induction motors are not self-starting. To start them, we must do a phase split, that is, create an artificial second phase. There are three ways to phase split. 1. Adding resistance. 2. Adding a capacitor. 3. Using a shading ring. Today's goal is to learn in details the shading ring.
What exactly is a shading ring? A short circuited ring made of copper. Short circuited means creates a closed path for current. Figure shows a copper ring.
Stator, laminated steel core. Windings. One salient pole winding, that is main winding, takes up two-thirds of the pole. Example, 100 turns. Number 2, shaded pole winding takes up one-third of the pole. Example, 33 turns. Salient pole connects to the single phase supply. Router, squirrel cage type, short-circuited copper bar. Figure shows the salient pole portion, that is two-third portion, and shaded pole occupy the one-third portion of the circle.
Figure shows the top view of the stator and a rotor. Shading pole is a closed loop or short circuited path, and the main winding, which occupies the two-third part of the pole, and single phase supply is to be given to the main winding. It is also clear in the figure. AC supply goes here through the main winding. Working principle part 1 is described through the flowchart method. Single phase supply, that is salient pole, creates a pulsating magnetic field. This field cuts across the shaded pole. Results induced an EMF in the shaded pole according to the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Working principle part 2. Because the shaded pole winding is short circuited, current flows through the shading ring. The current creates its own magnetic field. Then the new field opposes the salient pole magnetic fields. Opposes according to the Lenz law. Action oppose the cause. The two pulsating magnetic fields interact to create a rotating magnetic field, that is RMF. The RMF forces the rotor to spin. Direction of rotation is fixed, that is salient pole unshaded to shaded pole. Cannot change direction unless you open the motor and physically reverse the stator. Rating 3 watt to 125 watt. Very teeny power. Speed constant. Speed motor cannot be controlled. Efficiency very low, 5% to 35%. Starting torque low. Where do we use them? AC relay. Shading ring keeps the relay closed and prevents chattering. Energy meters, toy motors, clocks, oblique watches, and record players. Used where we need low torque, low power, and overall cheap cost. No more today. Next, we meet you in next class. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.